If you guys feel intimidated in the gym, don't worry, I got you. Here are my favorite moves that you guys can do as a beginner with some gym equipment. First up, you just want to dance it out. I know it might seem cliche, but I promise you guys, it'll make you feel so much more confident and empowered. Blast your favorite music, get yourself motivated, and it's time to crush it. All right, so after you dance it out, I want you guys to take a deep breath, grab a bench, and we're gonna try some continuously alternating step-ups. Drive that knee towards your chest, make sure you're powering through with your arms as well. This is gonna really work your booty, your glutes, your hamstrings, plus with your knee drive, you're working the lower abs. So make sure you guys give this one your all. If you want to challenge yourself, grab some light weights as you also do these step-ups. The next move, med ball slams. This one could look a little intimidating, but I promise you guys, it is super simple and it works your entire body. Get into this. Any anxiety, any stress that you're feeling right now, you're gonna let it out right here. Squat low, raise the ball over your head and slam it down on the ground. I'm only using 10 pounds and feel free to do whatever feels right for you. This move will make you look like a boss in the gym. This next move, you're gonna grab a bar and you're gonna do a deadlift with a row, making sure you have a slight bend in your knee, come down on a hinge, making sure your back is still flat as well. And as the bottom of that deadlift, you're gonna give me a row. So making sure you're also working your arms, your abs, your hamstrings. Really, this is hitting every single major muscle group. All right, you guys, this next move is using a Bosu ball. And what I love most about a Bosu ball is it really works on your balance, which in turn works your abs. This is just a basic squat. Feel free to add some weights as well, but if you're a beginner, no weights necessary. Squat low and making sure you're pushing through your heels with good posture. Chest tall and strong, and this one also works your entire body as you're standing on a balancing ball. A lot of the time when you see a Bosu ball at the gym, you're not sure what to do with it. So this move is the perfect move to begin with. This next move is called a wood chopper. It's one of my favorite moves to work your obliques and your arms at the same time. Grab a free weight or a dumbbell. I'm using 10 pounds here. You're gonna pull that weight from your hip to your opposite side with an overhead press, making sure you're also getting a little bit of power from your legs as well, almost like a mini side lunge. This one is amazing for your upper body. Make sure to do both sides as well. Next up, we have a kettlebell swing with a handoff at the top. So as you do these kettlebell swings, you're gonna wanna rotate your torso just a little bit to get those abs working as well. The power from kettlebell swings comes from your hips. So making sure you're really thrusting and using your thighs, making sure you're not really squatting, but it's more on a hinge. A kettlebell swing is such a power move. And then, of course, make sure to twerk it out at the end. We started with the dance, and why not end with the dance? I hope these moves help you feel more confident next time you step into a gym. Make sure to subscribe right here to Healthy Hacks with Katie Austin.